Hey, here we are, Long Island Sound. Really windy today. We got like 13 mile per hour winds. I'm not going to venture too far. See how the day goes. Hopefully it'll go back down. We're going to start off patrolling a little tsunami shad. I think I have a 5-inch on there, and that's what people have been getting lucky on. There's definitely been larger schools of striped bass around. So, and they've been hitting, I've seen bunker jumping around, so we're going to try to match the hatch with that, and then later we'll turn to some fluking. That's even possible. My drift is probably at 2 knots right now. So let's see what happens. I don't know how long we'll last out here because the tide is dead low. But once it starts coming in and you add the winds, we're going to do a serious chop. See what we can do. Okay. Let's get to it. The fish is on. And what do we got here? Oh, we got a bluefish. Look at that. Look at that. Fluking. And we are on our first bluefish of the year. I gotta admit, I had squid on there, not gulp. Decent sized cocktail. Let him calm down a little bit. Okay. Take care of him. Actually released himself. Okay. What's up, pal? Yellow-eyed demon. Should we keep you? Or should we let you go? I think we're gonna let you go. Because there hasn't been a lot of you. So, alright, pal. Here comes the wind. He's ready to go. There he goes. Nice. And he inhaled that squid. Alright, porgy fishing near the jetty. These porgies must be small, so I'm missing them. Oops. So I have an S&S John Skinner porgy. Here we go. Rig on the bottom, and then up top with a like a high-low rig, we got this is crazy. Look who decided to show up here. This is a pretty big fat keeper tautog or blackfish right here, you know, and just look how fat that is. Looking healthy, looking good. Beautiful fish. We're gonna let it go though. All right. it out, get some fish. Didn't really get the targeted species. But, you know, it's good to see that the other fish are around. It's been a weird spring. It's been cold. The water's colder than normal. It's starting to catch up now. And that's it. So, see you next time.